Artery blockage begins. Inside the artery, fatty deposits slowly begin to stick to the inner walls. These deposits are called plaque, and they build up over time. At first, the change is small and almost unnoticeable, but gradually the passage for blood becomes narrower. The heart still pumps, but the flow is not as smooth. This is the silent beginning of a heart attack. Plaque growth. As time passes, the plaque continues to grow thicker. The artery becomes tighter and blood struggles to pass through. Oxygen-rich blood cannot move freely anymore. The heart starts to feel the pressure. This slow narrowing increases the risk of sudden blockage. The danger is building quietly inside the body. Plaque rupture. Suddenly, the surface of the plaque cracks open. The inner fatty material is exposed to the bloodstream. The body sees this as an injury. It reacts immediately to repair the damage. But this reaction can create a dangerous situation. It sets the stage for a deadly blood clot. Blood clot formation. Platelets rush to the ruptured plaque site. They begin sticking together to form a clot. This clot grows larger and thicker. It starts blocking the flow of blood. The artery becomes dangerously narrow. The heart is now at serious risk. Complete artery blockage. The clot grows until the artery is completely blocked. Blood flow suddenly stops. Oxygen can no longer reach the heart muscle. The heart cells begin to suffer instantly. This is the exact moment a heart attack begins. Every second now becomes critical. Oxygen supply cut off. Without oxygen, heart muscle cells start to weaken. They cannot produce the energy they need. The tissue begins to change color and function. Damage starts spreading across the muscle. The longer the blockage remains, the worse it becomes. Time is the most important factor now. Heart muscle damage. Heart muscle cells begin to die from lack of oxygen. This process is called myocardial damage. The affected area becomes inflamed and weak. The heart struggles to pump properly. Permanent damage may occur if blood flow is not restored. This is the most dangerous stage. Chest pain signal. The body sends warning signals of distress. A heavy pressure builds in the chest. Pain may spread to the arm, neck, or jaw. Breathing becomes harder. The person may feel dizzy or nauseous. These are classic signs of a heart attack. Irregular heartbeat. As the heart muscle weakens, its rhythm changes. Electrical signals become unstable. The heartbeat turns irregular and unpredictable. This condition is called arrhythmia. It can become life-threatening within seconds. Immediate medical help is critical. Severe heart attack stage. A large portion of the heart muscle is now damaged. The heart cannot pump blood effectively. The body begins to lose vital oxygen supply. Organs start to suffer. This is a severe heart attack stage. Emergency treatment is now the only hope. Emergency medical response. Doctors act quickly to save the heart. Medications and devices are used to restore rhythm. A defibrillator may be applied if needed. The goal is to reopen the blocked artery. Every second of treatment matters. Fast action can save a life. Blood flow restored. A stent is placed inside the artery. The blocked passage opens again. Blood begins to flow smoothly. Oxygen reaches the heart muscle once more. The damaged tissue slowly starts to recover. This is the moment the heart gets a second chance.